wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Well, I'm getting ready to work on Blue. The parts are supposed to come in today. Getting new sway bar. Was it Baja Ron's? So we'll see what happens. And we're gonna get it jacked up. Okay, this is a little bit different settings on the camera. Like I said, I'm gonna jack up the bike, get it ready so I can install the new sway bar from Baja Ron. And that should be in today. So I gotta jack this up like 24 inches off the ground. That's gonna be fun. Okay, we'll take another video when we get it jacked up. Well, I got it up in the air. It looks weird, but it's not gonna fall. I got the jack underneath here. And get these up on blocks, so I think we should be good. Yeah. I know everybody's gonna say, that's not safe. Well, that's about all, because it doesn't move. Okay? Okay, we're under the bike, and I got a push pin there. It's gonna be hard to see. There we go, maybe that way. A push pin there. There's one here. There's one there, and there's a bolt there. I'm gonna take these two panels off, that one and that one. Oops, sorry. Okay, there's one there, one there, one in this end, and there's a Torx on that end. Okay. This is the bar I'm replacing. Goes up in here. And these links, these are plastic. Okay. On to the next. Okay, the panels are out. Right here and here. Now I gotta take, you can see it, punching it. That's a 10mm bolt I gotta take out, one on each side to take these bushings out. And there's a 13mm to take these up. On both sides. Hi, Mr. D. Hi. Hi, Mr. D. He's coming to help me. Hey, buddy. He's playing. Okay, you're going to need 2 wrenches, 2 10mm, a socket, and a wrench. Because I don't know if you can see, it's right up in here. There's a... right up in here where my finger is. There's a bolt on a nut you got to put the wrench on. And going over here. That's on both sides. This side's the tough side. I got this thing in my way. Guess I could pull it out, but I'm trying to take off as little as plastic as possible. So I snuck the wrench into here, and I can get it. I don't know about putting it back together. That'll be a different story. Okay, next step. Taking these up, 13mm here and here and here and here, and free that up on both sides, that side and that side. Okay, I have to take these panels off. That's because I won't be able to get this out. All right, we're gonna take this off. Pull the push pins out. That side, and give me room, I'll do this side also. And to get to these off, you got to pull the side panel off, which is here, and pull this and a T30 bolt in here. You got to take it off the 10mm, but it has one of them lock washers. I don't know if you can see it. So, gonna try to get that out. And go from there. Same on both sides. 30 up here. I already took it out. Then you just gotta jiggle this around. I don't think there's any more. Oh yeah, looks like there's another one right there. Grade 10 millimeter. Okay, we'll get that one. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. You see it way back in here? I'll try to point to it. Oh, turn sideways, but it's alright. It's right there. Okay. And it's out. I'll be up to access that bushing right there. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah. Okay. One under, now the other side. We'll have to go a little bit further. Had to take off the side panel. Work this out. There's a T30 here, T30 here, and that pops out. I got to get it. This pull pin right there. That's how I get in here, but I guess I could have got it from the bottom. Ah. Yeah. Damn it. I took all that apart for nothing. Oh well. Live and learn. I figured I'll only be doing this once, so. So you play around with it so you don't break anything. Boy, I should replace my filter here. Well, I got it this far apart. Oh well. I don't have time for that. That'll be another day. I did have to take that all apart so I could get to that star washer that's there. We don't know. All good. Yes, I did have to take that apart, but now I can get these bushings out. Here's one. I'll go. And the other one fell out. This could have come out. Ta-da! Name that tune. That came out nice and easy. There it is. Hi, Dee. Okay, my pots came in. Here's the new sway bar. Baja Ron sway bar. Heavy sway bar. And the aluminum links to go with it. I'll show you the difference. That's that bar. Oh, and there's the new tire. That's going on there because look at that tire. It's funny how it wears out here, but yet it looks pretty good down here. Oh, better. It's the second tire that they all wear like that. This is the same brand, the Kendra tire, but it's Kanan. It's the new tire for aftermarket, made by the same company, but hopefully they improve this tire. It looks good. Let me go show you the old bar. This is the old bar. It's a lot bigger, and these are the links from plastic to aluminum. So makes a difference. Well, I'll let you know how it goes when I put it together. Okay, I got the bar end. I got the bushings into place. They're not tightened up. And this one, you can get to it easily. With my light so you can see. Okay, there's the bolt. Get to it pretty easily. Now that I took the rest of that panel off in an earlier video. Okay, put the bars in place. Okay, they're snugged in, and it looks good. I noticed this one doesn't have the stiffener in there. They got the hole for it. They show us they have a stiffener, but this one doesn't have it. They got a bolt on both sides, but they don't have the stiffener. Maybe they didn't have it on the 2016. I don't know. Okay. Next is putting the links in. That'll be next. One goes here, and the other one goes here. That's next. Next is the link. I'm going to put the Monster logo facing out. It doesn't matter how you put them in. I mean, it's your preference. But I'm going to put mine so it's the name is facing out. And you use one of the old bolts for the top. Okay. And they give you new bolts in a bag for the bottom. So you only use one of the old bolts. If that makes sense. Okay, if I explained it right. Alright. Next. This side's in. Instructions say threads to the inside, so I put the threads to the inside. Don't tighten them up yet. Just snug them up, and same with this one up here. You just snug up these bolts. Just don't forget to tighten them up when you're done. Now to the side. Alright, this side's in. Oh, I bought the things because I don't have to put the spaces in like you have to do with Baja Bob's. Or Ron, sorry. Ron, Bob, close enough. So now I'm ready to snug everything up. Okay, all installed. Torque down, they told me 18 foot-pounds, so I torqued it down to 18 foot-pounds. And that's, they told me, one of the videos just said, till you get a bulge over here. I think this can go a little more. Okay, now to start putting this back together. Well, all back together. And no leftover parts. Oh, it's not back together. I'm missing a panel. Okay, we'll fix that right now. Got it right here. I just gotta snap it on. Okay. I snapped it on and drop everything. Then the next one is gonna be the tire. Maybe I'll do that tonight and have it mounted tomorrow. Well, took it for a short test ride because it's raining. So I just went down the bottom of the street. It feels pretty good. So we'll see how it is when I go for a long ride. Two up, see how it handles when Rita gets on the back of the bike. Okay, now I guess we'll tackle the rear tire. Bum ba dum bum bum. Well, yeah, tires had it. Well, well, get that changed tomorrow, and we'll put the new one on. And we'll be good to go. Okay, we're all back together. Get the new rear tire on. We got it all spec'd in. Now I'll take it for a test drive, see what happens. I can see we have to put a set of brakes on this very soon. And we're all set. Got my clicker for the belt tensioner. Okay. I didn't give you any tutorial on putting the rear tire on. It's too much of a pain to do it by yourself holding the camera up. And I said bought everything from the Monster Garage, and I'll leave a link in the description bar of what I purchased. And if you're interested, you can do the same.